What's up, guys? I want to show you my process of how I use warping inside of MPC. I have this sample that was in the Japanese pack that I put on the PC family group. I already pre-chopped it, right? I already sliced it, converted it to a program. I'm going to go here and I'm going to press all. When I press all, that's going to allow whatever I put on this page to affect all the slices at one time. Sample is 6834 BPM. All right, that's very important. You're going to want to do that. And I don't really like this tuning, so I think I'm just going to keep going down till I find a tuning. I'm changing the key. So right here, that's kind of playing too fast, so I'm going to take that and slow it down. I'm going to go over here and apply stretch to it. Alright. The sample was too short. I go over here to tell, and I'll apply to lengthen that out. I'll play that in a pattern. I'll make up something real quick, right? Okay, so now we have that. Now, if you notice here, we have this is in C minor. So after we record that, we go apply whatever we want, like our bass line or whatever else like that, to this. Come up with some drums. I'm gonna go to Cycle Kit 7. Guys, so head over to CycleKit.com, support your boy like I support you. I appreciate and love all of you guys. And don't forget to join the MPC Family Facebook group. If you're looking for a positive environment of like-minded individuals where you can learn, where you can teach, where you can talk, music production, we would love to have you. Thank you very much. God bless. Peace.